What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be working on an engine cleaning and a full body decontamination on the Honda CRZ. That is the car. Why is the bumper out? Because a rat was poisoned to death, and in the midst of death the rat actually went underneath the engine cover, into the engine cover, and then it just died there. And then when the body was decomposing, only the owner found out. And then in the midst of death, the rat actually shit itself and pissed itself to death. So the entire back of the bumper and the engine covers are all covered in feces and whatnot, I don't know. Yeah, so today's job is to clean everything out. Hopefully the odor does not stay. And then of course I'll be cleaning the engine bay as well. So as usual, I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video. And because the odor is so terrible that I had to wear a mask. So yeah, so as usual, I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so I'm done with the CRZ. You can see behind me, although the car is not really that great of a condition, the paint, the original paint is actually quite oxidized, and because this is not a polish job, I couldn't fix it. So I tried to clean the paint as much as possible to get it as smooth as possible, then apply the wax. The engine is clean and everything is clean now, and I hope that the rat shit smell will just evaporate in a few days, hopefully. For now, let me just take a whiff. It doesn't seem like it's smelling like rat shit anymore, but when you go really close, you can still smell a bit of the scent. So I'm going to deliver the car back to my client, which lives quite near to me, and then that will be the end of the video. So remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video.